Tired of lost assignments and last-minute scrambles? Let's ditch the paper pile and master submitting assignments in Microsoft Teams. First, navigate to the team where your assignment is located, then click on the Assignments tab, usually found in the General channel or the Specific Course channel. You will now see a list of assignments. Select the assignment you want to submit by clicking on its title. You will be brought to the Assignment Details page. On the Assignment Details page, look for the Add Work button. Click on it. This will open a File Explorer window. Here, you have several options. You can upload a file directly from your computer, choose a file from your OneDrive, or even create a brand new Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file. Once you've selected your file, it will begin uploading. Wait for the progress bar to complete and ensure your file appears attached to the assignment. After your work is uploaded, the Turn In button will become active, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click to submit your assignment. You will see a confirmation animation or graphic indicating that your assignment has been successfully submitted. This visual cue ensures you know the assignment has been sent to your instructor. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your assignment in Microsoft Teams. You can even and do turn in if you need to make changes before the deadline. Happy learning!